Bonjour, y'all. Let's make a meatless dinner. You need a can of cannellini beans, some herbs and spices, red wine vinegar, onion, garlic. I have kale, zucchini, and tomatoes, and nutritional yeast, and olive oil. Let's start by sauteing some onions in the olive oil. I've sliced mine into thin slices. Once your onions are translucent, add in the minced garlic. I had 2 cloves here. Just stir it together. Next, pop in your zucchini or yellow squash that you've cut into half moons. Now, we're cooking with vegetables. We want to season this well. So I have basil, oregano, and my favorite, herbe de Provence. Use whatever you like here. And please, don't forget the salt and pepper. Next up, beans, chopped tomatoes and kale, and a tablespoon of that vinegar. This is starting to come together. If you don't have cannellini beans, feel free to make a substitution of another white bean. When it's ready, you want to add in your nutritional yeast if you're being vegan, and Parmesan cheese if you're not. Plate it up, and bon appetit. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Au revoir.